Woohoo! Oh man, he's awake. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Jacob, you should see outside.
I got woken up twice. Because they said there was fire. Oh my goodness. What is this?
Oh my god.
What the heck? Oh, look at the waterfall. Oh my gosh, this is nice. There's 2 waterfalls. Okay, this is kind of creepy, but nice. Oh my gosh.
Beep, beep.
Whoa, 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 whoa. That only works when you're sleeping.
I know. I was awake that whole time. I like half the trip I like started to wake up. And then I started to like Mom, there's another waterfall, like from that waterfall there's another one going.
Yeah. Of course.
But
There's 2 waterfalls.
Like further on from this wall.
And then
Go down there.
where's the other one? Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's over. It's all over.
This is crazy road.
I don't really mind missing like right here. But Dad, it's so weird how you were eating Doritos while doing that turn.
Ugh.
I can't believe you guys thought I was asleep and you guys were poking me.
You were so asleep.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
I'm not kidding.
You were sleeping.
Just wait until you're sleeping. I'm gonna grab your camera and record that part. And I'm gonna draw mustaches.
That guy's from Oregon. Whoa, we are on top of the world. Just kidding. Look, it's Ethan.
Here, I'll pull you back. No!
Ow! Why are you pinching me
Like
or
right
scratching
here,
me?
I'll pull you down.
You're scared.
We're probably gonna fall and die. Hey, look, I'm serious. We're gonna die. I know we're gonna die.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
We're gonna die.
Oh my gosh. You're not gonna fall.
Okay.
I know. No, I meant. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at this. She's so brave now. No, never mind.
Chipmunk! Chipmunk!
Where?
Under the rock right there!
Chipmunk.
You never listened to me.
I did, but I didn't look.
What did you say, Jacob?
Oh, ate that thing. It's eating a nut. Ariane, it's eating a nut. Ariane, it's eating.
So that means if you keep
Bye.
me, I'm gonna say shut up.
Bye-bye.
Hey, Chipmunk over there.
Boy, Mr. Chipmunk.
There's another chipmunk.
Where?
Sorry.
Chipmunks everywhere. Oh my gosh, another one. Let's catch it. I'm joking.
Is there like a family under here?
Watch it like climb onto your face or something.
No.
Spider Jacob does whatever a Spider Jacob does. Da na 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 na. Okay, I'm done. Na 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 na. Jacob. Na 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 Jacob. What?
Careful, Aiden. Careful, Aiden.
I'm gonna bite you.
Yeah, no, you already bit me. I'm not weird, I swear. I didn't do that.
You're like hee hee.
Right? That's my side. Right?
Oh my god.
Stung. What? She's okay. Come on, Aiden.
Mark, you're like hee hee.
I was like hee hee. As I tickle it. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm not weird, I swear.
You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, right.
Hey, where is everybody anyway?
They left us because we're so slow.
Hey, wait, what are they doing over there by the car?
Liar.
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're. Wait, where are they?
Yes.
No, literally, where are
We're
they?
way behind you guys.
Come on, let's go.
Mommy! Daddy!
Not really. I'm not that scared.
Maria!
Hey, look, a chipmunk. Eat.
Another side.
Landscape
Oh,
and
yo,
ocean.
another way to come in here.
Blah blah blah. Boring, boring, boring.
Okay. Ready?
Come.
Instead of like
Come, you guys.
It's a waterfall. There's one too.
go click.
We're in, I don't know, we're at the falls. And look at that. Are you serious? You can stand there. Huh. Here. No, don't jump. Whoa, Aiden, go over here. No. Come back. There's Jacob. He's coming up.
I didn't like find a way back.
Really? Well, they left already. And apparently that thing's really deep. Whoa.
Somebody or something.
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Yes, come on.
That's nice. Must make a good shot.
Take a picture.
We're moving on up. Rocks are kind of slippery. We're gonna have lots of fun trying to get down. Whoa.
No, I only saw from when you were right side mid.
Oh my gosh.
That's the only butt fall.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright.
That wasn't a butt fall, that was...
Okay, we're here. Oh, it feels good. Well, my camera's getting wet.